Alright, hey guys, welcome back. And as you can see right here, guess what's gone? A Raptor 350. Finally sold it. I only got half of what I originally asked for it, which is absolutely insane, but that's the economy we're in right now. I did post that video of me taking parts off that I'm going to recoup later. I do have them posted. One thing I want to tell you guys is that I have started a store on eBay, and I've got some hats, some stickers. I don't have a lot of merchandise on there. I got a bit. If it sells, I'll buy more and I'll put more up, and I'll get more different types. But for now, I just got a few things up there, a couple different types of stickers, and I think 3 types of stickers and a few hats. So check it out. Link is below. Also, I have parts. ATV parts on there. I have the push bar for that 350 Raptor. I have the exhaust system. I'm going to be putting more parts on there moving forward. So also, you know, in the link below, check it out. All right, quick video today. My wife's YFZ450. If you guys can see down here, has sprung an oil leak, and I don't know where the oil's coming from. And we are going to find out today. Now, if you look down in here, you can see it's wet on the engine case right there. Let me pull this back a little bit, maybe it's easier to see. It's wet on the engine case, and I can't tell if it's leaking from higher up or if it's coming out of that O-ring on that oil feed line, or if that oil feed line itself is leaking. I can't tell. So we're going to have to check this out, but as you can see right there, there's a ton of oil on the skid plate, and it's on both sides, and it's just, you know, basically it's leaking all over the floor. So we gotta fix it. I have this oil line right here, perfectly fine, there's nothing wrong with it, and probably gonna swap it out just in case. All right, I think I see where it's leaking from. I think it's leaking out of that screw right there. I don't see any other reason where it would be leaking from. But it is wet above the line, and it is definitely coming out of that screw. I wonder if that screw is loose. All right, I got the Allen wrench on here, and it is not loose. So let's just pull this screw out. Well, I guess it kind of was loose. Let's pull the screw out and see what's going on here. And it's an Allen cap, and I may replace this with a regular 8mm bolt if I have one. And this bolt is not coming out, which tells me it's stripped. Oh, that isn't good. That is not good. That's why it's leaking. Yep, she's stripped. Fantastic. All right, so this is the bolt I took out. This is the bolt I had in my stash. And you can see here, it is a bit longer. Let's see if this is long enough to grab some threads maybe. Maybe we can use it, maybe we can't, I don't know. All right guys, so fortunately I have a set of engine cases here. As you can see, this came off an old engine that I rebuilt, and a rod broke and went through the cases. So the cases are no good. As you can see here, it's been outside in my scrap pile. But what this does tell us is, this is the hole right here. It comes through here, and it goes into here. And let me grab my flashlight, and I just want to double check this because you can see down in there that hole goes really deep. There's a lot of threads down in that hole, and if I use a longer screw, I should be able to catch some of those threads down the bottom. What I need to do though is run a tap in there, and I don't have to worry about chips going inside the motor because this surface here seals against that surface there. Right now oil is getting through here. It's not supposed to. There's supposed to be RTV on there, and there's not. I'm gonna have to RTV around the bolt hole, or see if I can find a brass washer to put in there to keep that from leaking. But right now it's leaking really bad because it's not holding tight. So let's let me see if I can tap that out. Okay, I am going to flush that hole with brake clean. If I can get the pin in there. There we go. Let me get a little bit of air on that. Gasket maker, I'm going to use the fuel resistant kind, and we're going to put it on the washer. I'll make sure I get it on there really good. All right, I'm going to let that tack up before we put the Loctite on here and push it in. All right, we got the red Loctite on the end. RTV. Let's see if we can get this to tack up. Let's see if we can go in there and do what we want it to do. And I'm using a light ratchet to try to get this to catch. All right, guys, so there it is. The RTV is on it. Hopefully that'll keep it from leaking. We'll see. Won't know until we run it. I'm gonna clean this all up with brake clean. Try to get all the grease and oil out of there and top it off, start it, see where we're at. All right, let's see if it'll start. I topped it off with oil. I just want to see if it's going to leak. Yeah, battery's dead. Surprise, surprise. Alright guys, you can see that I have the RTV in there. I ran it for a little while and it leaked again. And as you guys saw from the 2 cases that I had left, broken, and I put the screw in there. It's not near an oil feed or anything like that, but it leaks pretty good when it's running, when the oil gets thin. So I took the screw out and I loaded it up with RTV. I mean, I put a ton on it. I pushed it into the hole and I screwed it in. I'm gonna wait until that stuff hardens all the way up, probably till tomorrow. I'll try it again tomorrow and see if it leaks. But that's pretty much the fix. And if that doesn't do it, the only alternative is to pull the engine, split the cases, put a heel coil in that. I'm not doing all that for that little leak. Hopefully this will take care of it. I mean, we rode the bike for like a whole summer and it didn't leak. It just started leaking recently. So I think it looked like there was RTV on it anyway, so it looks like somebody pushed it in there. Anyway, there it is. That's what we got. It's done. Quick little video. Anyway, hopefully the leak is fixed. The bike runs great. It took me a little bit to start it up. I think the battery's no good. I think I gotta get a new battery for it. But other than that, thanks for watching, subscribing, like, share, tell your friends. You guys will see what's in the next video. Actually, I'm making the next video right now. I'm kind of doing both of these just at the same time. And I don't want to spoil it for you, but it's another engine rebuild. So yeah, I hope you guys tune in for it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and subscribe so you'll get notified when I post videos. And the next video is coming. I hope you enjoyed this one, and more to come. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in another video.